Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some more simple sentences that will surely help you to learn Konkani very fast and very easy. So before we proceed, I want to tell you that in today's video there are new words, so keep watching my videos, understand the new words and try speaking Konkani. Soon I will update you with Konkani grammar videos also, so keep following my channel. So guys, those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Your one like and one subscribe can motivate me to put more and more videos and help you to learn Konkani. So without wasting any more time, let's begin learning. Stop kidding. Stop kidding or stop joking. In Konkani we say Fakana karnaka. Fakana karnaka. Fakana means jokes. Karnaka means don't do. Read this. In Konkani we say hai vats. Hai vats. Vats means read. Write this. In Konkani we say hai barai. Hai barai. Barai means write. What did he do? In Konkani we ask ताणे कितें केलें? ताणे कितें केलें? ताणे means he. कितें केलें means कितें means what. केलें means did. Why did you do this? Why did you do this? तुवें अशें कित्याक केलें? तुवें अशें कित्याक केलें? तुवें means you. अशें means like this. कित्याक means why. केलें means did. But how did this happen? In Konkani we ask पूण हें कशें जालें? पूण हें कशें जालें? But means पूण. कशें जालें means how did this happen? कशें means how. जालें means happened. Okay? The next sentence, it's not right. In Konkani we say हे सारकें न्हय. हें सारकें न्हय. हें means this. सारकें न्हय means not right. सारकें means right. Not right means सारकें न्हय. न्हय means no. How hot it is. In Konkani we say कितली गरमी आसा. कितली गरमी आसा. Garmi means hot. I know you very well. I know you very well. In Konkani we say हांव तुका सारको जाणा. हांव तुका सारको जाणा. How means I. सारको जाणा means know very well. How did you get my number? तुका म्हाजो नंबर कसो मेळ्ळो? तुका म्हाजो नंबर कसो मेळ्ळो? तुका means you. म्हजो number means my number. कसो मेळ्ळो means how did you get. I have been trying to call you since morning. हांव तुका सकाळच्यान फोन लायतालो or हांव तुका सकाळच्यान फोन करतालो. How means I. सकाळच्यान means since morning. करतालो लायतालो means was calling. Was means trying to call. But you did not receive my call. In Konkani we say पूण तुवें म्हजो कॉल घेवंक ना. घेवंक ना. पूण तुवें म्हजो कॉल घेवंक ना. घेवंक ना means didn't receive. Don't call again and again. In Konkani we say परत परत कॉल करनाका. परत परत कॉल करनाका. परत परत means again and again. Karnaka means don't do. Get some sleep. In Konkani we say matso need. Matso need. I am feeling dizzy. In Konkani we say म्हाका घोळ येता. म्हाका घोळ येता. घोळ means dizzy or means getting fainting. I like living here. I like living here. In Konkani we say म्हाका हांगा रावपाक आवडटा. म्हाका हांगा रावपाक आवडटा. म्हाका means for me, हांगा means here, रावपाक means to stay. आवडटा means like. Send anyone. In Konkani we say कोणाकूय धाड. कोणाकूय धाड. Anyone means कोणाकूय. धाड means send. Take it down. In Konkani we say हे सकयल घेऊन वच. हे सकयल घेऊन वच. हे means this, सकयल means down. घेऊन वच means take it. Take it. Which one to take? खंयचे घेऊ. In Konkani we ask खंयचे घेऊ. खंयचे घेऊ. खंयचे means which one. घेऊ means to take. Get up early. In Konkani we say बेगीन उठ. बेगीन उठ. बेगीन means early. उठ means get up. You should go now. In Konkani we say तुवें आतां वचूंक जाय. तुवें आतां वचूंक जाय. तुवें means you, आतां means now, वचूंक जाय means should go. वचूंक जाय means should go. I remember it. म्हाका याद आसा. म्हाका याद आसा. याद means remember. I haven't told anyone. In Konkani we say हांवें कोणाक सांगूंक ना. हांवें कोणाक सांगूंक ना. सांगूंक ना means didn't tell. Don't tell her. In Konkani we say तेका सांग नाका. Don't tell her. In Konkani we say तेका सांग नाका. If you are talking about a lady, you must say तिका सांग नाका. तिका सांग नाका. What to do? In Konkani we say कितें करूं? Where is my friend? In Konkani we ask म्हजो इश्ट खंय आसा or म्हजो friend खंय आसा. म्हजो इश्ट means my friend, खंय आसा means where. खंय means where. Respect your elders. In Konkani we say व्हडल्यांक मान दी. व्हडल्यांक मान दी. व्हडल्यांक means elder people. मान दी means respect them. I want to do something. In Konkani we say म्हाका कितें तरी करूंक जाय. म्हाका कितें तरी करूंक जाय. म्हाका means I, कितें तरी means something. करूंक जाय means want to do. I can't come home early today. In Konkani we say म्हाका आयज घरा बेगीन येवंक मेळना. Or you can also say म्हाका आयज घरा बेगीन येवपाक मेळना. म्हाका means I, घरा means at home, आयज means today, बेगीन means early. येवपाक or येवंक मेळना means can't come. Okay? I want to help you. In Konkani we say म्हाका तुजी मदत करूंक जाय. In Konkani we say म्हाका तुजी मदत करूंक जाय. म्हाका means I. मदत means help. करूंक जाय means want to. I will not take it from you. In Konkani we say हांव हें तुजे कडल्यान घेवचें ना. If you are a boy you must say घेवचो ना. And if you are a girl you must say घेवचें ना. And if you are a lady you must say घेवची ना. हांव हें तुजे कडल्यान घेवचो ना. हांव हें तुजे कडल्यान घेवचें ना. हांव हें तुजे कडल्यान घेवची ना. The next sentence, dog is barking. In Konkani we say सुणें भोंकता. सुणें भोंकता. सुणें means dog. भोंकता means barking. She looks sad. In Konkani we say te duki dista. Te duki dista. Te means she. Duki means sad. Dista means looks like. She is sad. In Konkani we say te duki asa. Te duki asa. If you are telling about a lady, you must say ti duki asa. Ti duki asa. If you are telling about a boy, you must say to duki asa. To duki asa. My legs are paining. In Konkani we say moje pai dukta. Moje pai dukta. Moje pai means my legs. Dukta means paining. Eat properly. In Konkani we say sarke kha. Eat properly. Suppose a girl is having food and you want to tell that girl to eat properly. That time we say sarke jev. And suppose if she is eating something, we say sarke kha. Sarke kha. If you are telling a boy, then you must say sarko kha. If you are telling a lady, you must say sarki kha or sarki jev. Sarko jev. Okay. I want a doll. In Konkani we say maka ek bauli zai. Maka ek bauli zai. Doll means bauli. She is wearing a red sari. She is wearing a red sari. In Konkani we say tane tamdi sadi ghatल्या. Tane tamdi sadi ghatल्या. Tane means she. Tamde means red. Sadi means sari. Ghatल्या means wearing. I like buttermilk. In Konkani we say maka tak avatta. Maka tak avatta. Maka means I, tak means buttermilk, avatta means like. He is working very hard. In Konkani we say to khub kasht karta. Khub kasht means working very hard. Why are you crying? In Konkani we ask tu kityak ratta. Tu kityak ratta. Tu means you. Kityak means why. Ratta means crying. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and keep following my channel.